before it was declared as a national park, there were already communities inside. And the law also says that we have to respect the rights. We cannot drive them out of the park. But if it's a protected landscape, it is, ang description niya is, there's a harmonious relationship between the residents and the environment. So now it's called Mount Pulag. We are 1,400 meters above sea level. The ranger station is 2,400. The summit is 2,926 meters above sea level. That makes this trail the easiest trail compared to the other trails. Because mataas na dito, most of the way it's flat and gradual. It's not very steep.
Nakikita mo yan, ma'am. Atok. Yan ang atok. Saan na nga?
Ito kami nag-stay. Kita niyo yung bundok na yan. Yan. Hiking na kami ngayon. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Te, tingga. Ginusto. Pulag ah. Putik pala. Ha? Konting paahon daw. Ang babaeng magpapa-rescue. Asan tayo?
Nga yung bubok namin. Grabe. Ang sakit sa balo.